journey to the mountaintop was treacherous, filled with trials and tribulations that would test the very limits of human determination. Some envisioned themselves scaling the towering peaks, conquering their fears with every step, and battling the elements to claim the elixir that could change everything. In a world where time was the most precious commodity, a legendary elixir emerged, hidden atop the majestic Mount Kilimanjaro. It promised not only the cure to any ailment but also the gift of an extra 30% of life, a staggering 3 decades more. Whispers of its existence spread like wildfire, and people from all corners of the earth dreamt of obtaining this miraculous potion. But then, a twist of fate occurred. A mysterious benefactor appeared, sharing the elixir's coveted recipe with the world. Now, the elixir's magic lay not in the mountain's perilous climb, but in the hearts of those who held the recipe. With newfound hope and purpose, people set forth to gather the elixir's ingredients, understanding that the real quest was not on a distant mountaintop, but within themselves. They sought the rarest herbs, the purest waters, and the most potent elements of nature, combining them into the elixir that could reshape their destinies. The story of the Mount Kilimanjaro elixir became more than a tale of adventure. It became a journey of self-discovery and unwavering determination. People learned that the true power to extend their lives and conquer their challenges resided within their own hearts and minds. In the end, the elixir wasn't a mere substance to obtain, but a symbol of the boundless human spirit. It was a testament to the remarkable feats humanity could achieve when fueled by hope, perseverance, and the belief that life's greatest treasures were not found on distant peaks, but within themselves. Will you fight to get the ingredients, just as if it was a trip to Mount Kilimanjaro? See the age reversal and health improvement shopping list here.